boys. Look at them. You're live. How's the IALC workshop going for you guys?
Awesome. Quite good so far.
Well, I'm more positive. I think it's going great. But,
Okay, yeah.
Why? What's so great about it, Mark?
Well, I've met people I haven't seen for ages, and I've met new people. I found a LinkedIn stalker who's apparently been stalking me on LinkedIn, so...
you do realise we can't edit this.
Yeah. She confessed that she was a LinkedIn stalker, so, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, Mark hasn't stopped talking at all day.
Are you jet lagged, Mark?
Completely, yeah.
But he's used to it by now.
Exactly. Okay, and in your case, Jonas, it's your first official industry workshop. How's that going for you?
I'm very excited. I thought it would be slower paced. But yeah, it's nice. I mean, trying to condense what Intrinsiq can do in like a 20-minute session is obviously it needs to be a miracle, but yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, that's good to hear. And what are your expectations for the rest of the workshop?
World domination.
Oh my god! I think you're hungover or drunk. This is not jet lag.
So we went out last night for dinner and didn't get in till 1 a.m. There's a clear explanation as to why we're slightly crazy today.
But Mark, normal people are not like that when they go back when they go to sleep at 1 a.m. You know. So
expectations for the conference. Well, I mean, we've got loads of meetings to have. Lots of existing clients that I want to run into. I haven't seen them for like years. Yeah, so wandering around, come and see us on table 9. We're there.
And if you go now on table 9, guys, I'm going to turn this. See, now I want to be in the shot as well. If you go now on table 9, you will find a note from Mark that says that he is on air. So, you know, this is to explain what Mark is like at the moment. He is on air.
I am indeed. I'm live coming to all of you from the IALC conference.
Yeah, for me it's a bit different because
you're a little bit less hungover.
Yeah, maybe I'm more used to it than Mark is. So. But yeah, it's even the networking part. So getting to meet people face to face, it's a big change from just being behind a camera like we are now.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a bit, the dynamic is different.
Exactly. And this way you get to obviously have access to look at him staring at the camera.
He's a diva, he must be there.
Yes, before we started this, he was telling us, I don't want to be in the shot, and now he hasn't stopped looking at the camera.
He's hugging the camera, yeah.
So, yeah, and now I lost my train of thought. I don't know what I was going to say. But I think the main point of this is that with this we're reaching those people who couldn't be with us today. And in a minute I'll let you go so that you can go remove that on air off your table and actually meet people face to face.
Yes,
so,
until the next round.
Until the next round, yeah, we're going to have lots of these in the coming hours. So stay tuned.
Speak soon.
Take care.
See you.